Well, today's the day. I'm moving out of Korea. It's been a long time coming, but it's my time to go. About 100 miles till Great Falls. Oh, it's so slow. Trailer's kind of fishy over 50 miles an hour, but as you can see, I can't really load it any other way. It's real easy. Sometimes I wait for all the traffic that I create to go by because I'm a decent driver. Not like good, but caring. Finally, I'm not the slowest truck on the road. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Still only going 20 miles an hour. Always check your oil, especially in this old girl. Well, should be good enough. So I'm like the only one on the road at night. It's probably because all the animals like jumping out of the edge of the road. Trimmed it back a little bit, but I suspect probably more the bastards. It's alright. Keep doing it anyway. Yes, this is Stone Mountain. Wonder where it got its name. Identify as a millennial, mostly because I can do this. Getting closer. Hashtag truck life. Been sleeping in here for 3 days, Mark. I envy your leg room. Oh wait, maybe that's Stone Mountain. That looks like a real stony mountain. Maybe. That one's nice and big. That one's just a little bitch compared to that one. Yeah. Let's see what the sign. Oh, Stomach Cafe. Business is booming.